Hello guys, hello everybody, hello you. Welcome to my channel Crazy Art. I am Cray and today we are going to unbox all of the gifts that Dee and Maruya or Saint Lives in Alps Bavaria gave me. But before anything else guys, please don't forget to subscribe, to comment, to like, and to share this video to your family and friends. And now, mag-unbox tayo ng mga regalo na binigay nila sa akin. So guys, ayun, si Maruya saka si Dee, na-meet ko sila of course within these 2 days. And they know that it was my birthday, so actually it was very funny kasi nagkita-kita kami sa birthday ko din. And they also gave me some gifts, which is really like napaka-sweet kasi of course I'm not expecting anything, but of course nagbigay pa sila talaga sa akin ng mga something na I can nibble. I'm very happy kasi nakita ko silang dalawa on this duration na magbe-birthday nga ako. And yun, napaka-happy lang at sobrang yun, masaya na nagkakasama kaming tatlo. Even for just a short time, I really got time to hang out with them. So it was really actually very nice. So I'm just going to do a little unboxing kasi parang mabigyan ko naman ng konting thank you gift. Thank you lang naman. So yung nakuha ko dito is I didn't expect it talaga. So thank you very much, Maria and Dee. So, yun, mag-unbox na tayo ng mga pinamigay nila. So, first na napakita ko sa inyo is eto. Binigyan ako ni Dee ng Coco and Sebas na chocolate. Binuksan ko na siya actually kasi gusto ko siyang tikman. I really like it kasi, white chocolate. So, with with peanuts and yeah, it's just nice. Hindi siya sobrang matamis. So, I'm very happy na hindi siya ganun katamis. And, yeah, it is just really nice pag nagko-coffee ka. So, perfect. Dee, thank you. Love you. And I know, yung isang gift pala sa akin ni Dee. Sayang, Dee. Well, may story yun kasi, syempre, gusto niya ako ma-surprise. Napaka-sweet. Pero, anong nangyari is that hindi naman ako available in that time. So, pasensya na talaga. But if ever na makancel yun, yun siya of course meron. Yun, pwede pa tayo matuloy. Pero, let's see how it will go. Next naman, meron akong paper bag na ganito. Pero ano naman ito is, actually, isang malaking Mercy chocolate. Talagang patatabain tayo ni Maruya. We will get very big, but I like this. I'm really eating this a lot actually. So the only thing I really like about this is that you will get a lot of different flavors. So masaya ako at nakakuha ako ng merci beaucoup, dankeschön Maruya, and to the family of Maruya, maraming salamat sa inyo. Thank you. And actually, meron pa pala sa paper bag na to, meron pa siyang binigay sa akin na sausages. Kaso nilagay ko na siya sa fridge kasi kailangan para hindi mainitan. And meron pa siyang binigay sa akin na isang malaking limoncello. So, yun nga, masarap. Hindi ko matitikman ko pa yun. So, excited ako na matikman yun kasi nilagay na namin siya sa freezer. So, it will be going to be, yun nga, iaano ko na siya. Pag may time ako or pag nalibre ako, maglilimoncello ako. Para wala na daw sa sipon ko yung aking pag-ubo-ubo. Ayun, di ba? And thank you. And the next naman talaga naman, may nakasulat, happy birthday. So, eto, yung mga nabigay sa akin, Hustin. Eto, kasi sinabi ko din talaga kay Maruya na alam mo yun, kasi ilang araw na talaga ako, or months actually, that I cannot even sing normally. Because every time I sing, wala talaga ako ng boses, saka inuubo talaga ako. And until now, you can hear it in my voice na sinisipon na naman ako. It is maybe because the springtime here, because of the allergens. But, siguro kasi yun nga, yung weather nag-change din. And like what Maria told me actually, like she noticed me na parang ang bilis ko na talagang mainitan. Alam mo yun, mainitan. So, ano nangyayari, sabi sa akin, when we were in Amsterdam, even here, sabi, isarado mo yung jacket mo kasi malamig. Kaya ka nagkakasakit eh, kasi hindi ka which is true, of course. I do understand it because like, ako kasi talaga pag nainitan na ako, gusto ko talaga yung open jacket kahit gaano pa siya kalamig. So, and kasi alam mo yun kasi minsan talagang it's so warm na talaga nagsusweat na ako. You make me sweat. So, yun ang nangyayari. So, maybe that's another part of it na parang kahit anong gawin ko, talaga nagkakasipan ako kasi mabilis din ako mainitan. So, binigyan ako ni Maria ng Pustine. Sa pagkakaintindi ko, isa siyang citrus, lemon na may ginger. Yan, para sa mga ginger lover dyan, katulad ni Jun Bondok. Yan, so, feeling ko masarap to kasi parang nakatikman ko na ba to? Hindi ko maalala. Pero, actually, ito kasi, feeling ko masarap siya. Yan, kaya ito try natin to later. And, of course, nabigyan din tayo ng 5 pirasong kalamansi. Actually, alam mo, Maruya, yung kalamansi mo, super laki ha. Yung kalamansi ko, ang liit-liit. O, diba? This is the kalamansi. Ayan. Tama-tama kasi when I'm going to celebrate my birthday naman din, family, I will be cooking siomai. So, meron tayo ngayon na harvest na 5 kalamansi. I will be using this. So, yeah. Yan. And then, meron din dito 2 toffee. Ayan. Ay, meron na palang toffee na coconut. Kita mo, hindi ko alam. Kasi, feeling ko yung toffee na to. Ay na, limited edition pala nga. Ayun. Kasi normal na toffee na alam ko, ito lang. Parang, ayan. Ayan, toffee. Ito yung alam ko. Tapos, yung coconut, hindi ko pa siya alam. Ngayon ko lang nalaman na may coconut toffee pala. Ayan, so, ito-try natin yan. Ayan, 2 toffee. So, the next naman, ito naman. Ano naman to? May regalong pabalot pa. May pabalot pa. Yan nga, like what I said. Habang balutin mo ako. Yan. But anyway, let's open this. Oh, naku, baka mabasa kung ano man to. Pero let's see kung ano man ito. I-open natin. Thank you, Maria, kung ano man ito. Alam mo, dapat daw, diba, pag when you're going to open a gift, you have to, ano ba? You have to destroy. Kailangan daw i-open mo yung gift ng madami para madami may regalo sa'yo. Haba? Ako din. Ano din ako? Cup! Aba! Ay, hindi ko siya maintindihan kasi German eh. Sige, pero tingnan natin. Oh! Wow! Pero feeling ko, tingnan natin. Make it happen. Yes, I will make it happen whatever it is, I will make it happen. Lahat ng dreams natin, we will make it happen. Because I was given a sign already to make everything happen. And sa loob ng, ano na yan? Lorano Pro. Sabi sa inyo eh, talaga alam ni Mayora na ayun o, di ba? Pang anti-allergies. Yun. Kasi, yan na nga, nag-umpisa na naman ako habang gumagawa ng video. So, meron tayo, Lorana Pro. So, I will take this. Sabi yun dito to nakakaantok eh. Kaya, pwede ko i-try. Itatry ko talaga to. Oo. Pang-allergy. Thank you. And of course, meron pa tayong isa pang, what do you call this? Gift. Siyempre, ito yung sisirain din natin ulit. Para mabigyan ulit ng regalo. Joke lang. Look, kailangan you have to destroy it. It gives good luck. Diba? Oh, another one. Meron pa tayong isa pa na mug. Tingnan natin. Okay, anong mug naman ito? Tingnan natin tong mug na to. Ano to? Yan. So, talaga naman. Nakatanggap din ako ng Team Originals. Ano sticker? Ay, oo. Ay, hindi, magnet! I can stick it around somewhere pala to. Ay, pwede ko ito idikit sa kung saan man. It's a magnet. Ayan, no. Kitang-kita mo dyan. Ayan, ng Team Originals. Team OG, thank you. Ayan. Diba? Nandito lahat tayo. Kompleto tayo dito. Ayan. Dahil sa inyo, Team Originals. Yan. Dito. Thank you. One love. Ayan. So, ito yung parang naging logo. With all of our names na nandito siya. And then, meron pa tayong isa pa. Which is, ito naman. Team Originals na mug! Ayun. Ay, wow. Actually, ganda ng combination yung dalawa. Which is black and also red. In print naman. Ayun. Kitang-kita talaga yung mga pangalan natin. Wow naman. So pretty. So pretty. Ayan. Yan. Yun yung mga pangalan natin. So, kompleto tayo. Team Originals, One Love. Yan. Mahal ko to ang Team Originals na to. Yan. Malapit sila sa puso ko. So guys, yun na nga. 2 days with Mayora and D. Actually, 1 day with D and 2 days with Mayora. It was very fun, even though it was short. Pero, alam mo yun, you have the feeling na hindi malayo sa'yo ang isang tao. Kasi talaga, once na nakita kayo, sobrang close na kaagad. Hindi yung basta-bastang ganun lang. Saka, si Mayora, very friendly siya actually. First time ko lang din kasi ma-meet si Maruya. She's very friendly, very sweet, loving din. Saka, nakakatawang kausap. Saka, di ko makakalimutan yung paglalaro natin sa beach kanina. So, naglaro-laro kami kanina sa beach. And, yeah, it was really fun. Yan, talaga sabi ko kay Maria, takbo kasi kailangan natin, kailangan mo mahawakan yung tubig ng sandboard. Saka mahawakan yung sand. So talaga pinilit ko siya kahit sobrang lamig. Lumabas siya. Talaga nanginginig talaga kami kanina sa lamig. But it was really fun and yun, thankful ako kasi dumating si Mayura dito. Dumating yung family niya. Saka si Dee na dumating din. Thank you so much. Maraming sa inyong Maraming salamat sa mga gift ninyo. Ayan, very nice and thankful ako sa inyo, of course. Ayan. And, of course, yun nga, birthday ko. Ayan, maraming salamat sa blessings na binigay nyo sa akin. And at the same time, alam ko na kahit busy tayong lahat, nandyan pa rin kayo para sa akin. Nandyan kayo para sumuporta, maging friends, and kahit busy tayo, we know that we are still there for each other. So that is really, really nice. And yun, galing sa puso ko. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. And yeah, this is such a lovely day. The weather was actually good. And yeah, and today, I'm going to say today is April 22. It's my mom's birthday. So I will say happy birthday to my mom too. But yun nga. Yun lang. Thank you so much. So guys, yun nga. Thank you so much, Maria and Dee. And happy birthday to me. So guys, that's everything for now. I hope that you enjoyed this video as much as I do. And again guys, thank you again for watching and I hope to see you next time. And bye-bye!